I genuinely regret sharing these 3 secret GitHub repositories because nobody was supposed to know they exist. They completely automate code, create mind-blowing animations, and replace thousands of dollars in software. Let's count them down. Starting with number 1, manim. If you are tired of expensive animation software, this free tool changes everything. It turns simple Python code into stunning math videos automatically. Complex equations draw themselves smoothly. Render 3D shapes, vector fields, and calculus formulas in high definition without manual drawing. It runs completely offline on standard hardware with no paid APIs under the open-source MIT license. Grab this tool on GitHub from the description below. But if you think that was crazy, wait until you see number 2. Next up at number 2, Cloudflare Computer. This project has the power to run full computers inside cloud storage. It builds a complete virtual drive inside SQLite. You can launch real Linux commands or JavaScript files instantly. And here is the wildest part. You get 3 dynamic code engines built right in. Everything syncs live across the network fast. It uses tiny RAM resources at the edge. It requires 0 expensive servers and is 100% free open source. Grab this tool on GitHub from the description below. But if you think that was crazy, wait until you see number 3. Next up at number 3, Google/Skills. This project has the power to turn any AI agent into an expert cloud engineer instantly. It gives your AI assistant instant skills for Google Cloud. One command loads complete blueprints for data pipelines and server setups. And here is the wildest part. It connects your AI to complex data lakes and cloud architectures. Your bot writes perfect cloud code automatically. It uses almost 0 RAM on your PC, works offline, and is free forever under an open source license. Grab Google/Skills on GitHub from the description below. That wraps up our top 3 tools today, so smash that like button and subscribe for more. That is a wrap. From crazy math animations with manim to AI computer control and epic skills, these tools are wild. Which one are you cloning first? Subscribe for weekly open source drops, and check the links below or at junoverseai.com.